we have the Agricultural Competitiveness Enhancement Fund. Ang pondo ani is a budget from the National Agriculture, the Department of Agriculture, and because the Department of Agriculture is not a lending institution, so gikostro ni nila sa Land Bank. But the implementers of this program is Land Bank and the Department of Agriculture. Our target borrowers are individual small farmers and fishers, one. Number two, mga micro and small business enterprises, cooperatives, and conduits. Conduits are those mga rural banks and co-op banks. Unsa may mga projects sa individual farmers, kaning working capital para silang panguma. So kinahanglan gini because as you know, ang mga inputs isoring na nang mahal na kayo. Nag-complain na sila kay wala na sila kapital para sa input. So we will providing the inputs, or mupalit ba sila, mo acquire sila farm animal or mini processing sa ila, pwede sila. Loanable amount kung small farmers and fishers, based on funding requirement but not to exceed 1 million. 1 million nowadays is ano na, kanang if we talk of 1,000 na karon mura wala na, no, million na, million. So 1 million. Kung SME association, it would be 5 million per project maximum.